Hello everyone, welcome back for the start of the school year. My name is Mr. Seufert and I am your student's chemistry teacher. Alright, a little bit about what I'd like to share today. First I'm going to start by sharing about myself, and then I'm going to briefly describe, what is chemistry, and then we'll go into how your student can be successful in chemistry. After that, we'll look at some of these systems and technology that we use in my class. And then finally, we'll end with just a connection to you all as parents. All right, so again, I am Mr. Seufert. I and my wife enjoy pretty much everything there is to do outdoors. This is my wife in these pictures and our two dogs down here, who we take with us pretty much everywhere. And then in the middle there you can see me in high school. I have changed my hairstyle since then. We are also expecting our first child in December, so we're really excited about that. Alright, so what is chemistry? Chemistry is the scientific study of the composition of matter, its interactions, and changes. So we take a deep dive into, how do we go from these tiny, tiny microscopic bits that we can't even see to the world around us? How does that come about? And so we explore quite a bit. Now, for your student to be successful in chemistry, the biggest thing that I share with them is that chem is try. I only ask that students try. Almost half of their grade comes from practice and participation. So as long as they show up and engage with the material, they will be just fine. I also really ask for them to ask questions and communicate if they have any concerns. And then finally, they do have the opportunity to do corrections on any of their work. So I really encourage them to do that, because that's the best way to learn. It's okay not to get things totally correct the first time, but I really ask them to learn from their previous attempts. Alright, for my class, we meet daily on Teams, and that's where most of our communication occurs. I also have Google Classroom set up. This houses some of our more bigger communications, say like the class syllabus. Most of our work, however, is contained in Pear Deck. Pear Deck's really awesome. I really enjoy using it because it allows the students to interact with my slideshow, and I can see their work in real time. I can see everybody's work all at once. I can put up examples in real time, and it's really great. And then it also captures that data for me to be able to measure their engagement. And then finally, all of their grades are housed in Infinite Campus. So this is the best place to find the most accurate and up-to-date grades for your student. Now, in terms of connecting with parents, just like I just mentioned a moment ago, Infinite Campus is the best place to find the most accurate and updated grades for your student. You should also be receiving weekly progress reports. I also encourage you to reach out to your student, ask them what they're doing in chemistry. And then finally, if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. I've included my email here. Alright, well, thank you so much, and again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me.